Hi, hope you're doing really good. Well, I today would like to talk about something very, usual, something very normal, which we face every day in our life. We can read English, we can write in English, we can listen to things in English, but we do not know how to speak them, how to speak our own mind, our own thoughts, perspective in English. We are struggling with this a lot. Even though we know that we have the understanding of the concept, we know the answer, we know how to put our words out there, but since we do not know how to speak in English, we struggle and we miss our chance. Most of the time it happens that we know everything, but we just spoil it because we do not know how to speak in English, and that's a very major problem where every other student is struggling with. So I think it is something I used to face as well. So what my suggestion would for this problem is that start speaking. You have to speak, even if just a one sentence in a day. You have to make that effort of speaking that sentence, and when you do that you might struggle. You feel challenged, like how am I going to do, but I think that's the breakthrough of your progress. And from then onwards, one will become two, two will become four, four will become eight, and the process will continue. So you have to make sure that you're speaking in English, even if it's just a single sentence in English every day. So even if it's broken, even if it's incorrect English you're speaking, or you think it's grammatically wrong, just make sure that you're speaking the language. It's very important to speak the language. For me, I am learning Spanish nowadays, so I'm trying to speak Spanish. So hola, and como estás, muy bien. So these kind of small sentences I'm trying to speak, so I can enhance my Spanish skills as well. And I'm suggesting you to do the same with English, because English is a language which I know you can overcome, you can learn, you can easily speak, only if you put little bit effort into it. Thank you so much. Take care.